Hello, viewers. So, we welcome Dr. Ishan Allahabadi with us. So, he's a highly trained robotic oncosurgeon specializing in robotic cancer surgeries. And he's been a pioneer of carrying surgical oncology in Punjab. He brings with us this vast experience of 12 years in this field. And he has been trained at the highly prestigious institute that is Christie Hospital, Manchester, UK. Currently, sir is working as senior consultant cancer and robotic surgeries at Paras Health Panchkula. Welcome on board, sir.
Thank you for such a kind introduction. I'm elated to be here.
Okay, sir. So we'll carry on with the podcast. So I'm your host for today, Dr. Kashish, working as manager quality at Paras Health Panchkula. And so, sir, since you are the one who pioneered robotic surgeries, so would you just throw some light whether is it the robot who does the surgery and how does a robot and doctor get along in the surgery?
So, this is a very wonderful junction of where science meets human. That is what the robotic surgery is. Robotic surgery में robot surgery नहीं करता. Surgery surgeon ही कर रहा है. But robot is divided into two parts. One is the patient console, the instruments which go into the patient, and one is a surgeon console where the surgeon sits and actually controls all those instruments. What it does to the surgery is, first of all, what you see becomes 10x zoomed. So you are able to identify very tiny nerves and those blood vessels which you want to save. And second thing is, as much as good you are as a surgeon, but you're still a human being. We all are human beings, and we have those small tremors in our hand, jerky movements in our hand. The robot, the computer, and the technology is such the hand movements become extremely 100% precise movements. So if you want to cut a tissue, it will cut to that 1 millimeter level, which a human actually cannot achieve. That is what the robot brings to the table. That precision in the surgery, that 10x zoom. That is the reason why the patients they don't feel the pain after surgery because there is nothing that has been cut. कुछ भी ऐसा काटा ही नहीं गया जो नहीं कटना चाहिए था. So that is where the power of robotics come in. This is I would say the perfect marriage between science and a human surgical brain.
Okay, sir. Thanks. So, sir, if I would may ask whether what is the difference between a robotic surgery and a conventional form of surgery? What are the advantages of a robotic surgery over the conventional forms of surgery?
So before we get into comparisons and everything, just let me throw some light on the robot we use. We use the latest available, the best robot available in the world. That is America's Da Vinci Xi. That is like the most advanced robot available. Now, when you compare it with the conventional surgery, so conventional surgery, how was it done? You have to first go back into the history when surgery started for cancer. There were big cuts, एक बहुत बड़ा चीरा लगता था, पेट को खोला जाता था, जिस ऑर्गन में कैंसर है, इंटेस्टाइन में है, यूट्रस में है, उसको रिमूव किया जाता था. पेट में पाइप्स डाली जाती थी, पेट बंद किया जाता था और पेशेंट को वापस वार्ड में शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता था. उससे अब होता क्या था? अब इमेजिन करो आपके पेट पे 20 सेंटीमीटर का कट लगा हुआ है. आपको छोटी सी चोट लगती है, आपको कितना दर्द होता है? अगर 20 सेंटीमीटर का कट होगा तो कितना दर्द होगा? That is where robot does its magic. There is no cut. There are just small holes, exactly 4 holes, size of my fingernail. And instruments go in and they perform the whole surgery. And you will be astonished to see after complex surgery, I've seen my patients waking up after 3 hours asking कि डॉक्टर साहब भूख लगी है खाएं क्या. So that is where what comes in. It gets you back to your normal life in few hours. Whereas conventional surgery or laparoscopic surgery will take few days. Just imagine you meeting a road accident and having a small bruise. That is difference between robotic surgery. conventional surgery, open surgery is like having a major road accident. Your body suffers a lot. There is a lot of pressure on your body to heal the system. And robot is like having a small bruise. So instead of staying in a hospital for a week, you get discharged the next day. Sometimes I've discharged the patients on same day. And see, India is moving forward. And the major thing, if you see, is women power. When a woman gets operated, if she's a working woman, she can get back to her job in 7 days. That is wonderful. Instead of taking three months of medical leave, you're back to your office after
That's
a
great.
few days, and nobody can even notice your scar. You can wear a sari, you can wear a crop top, you can wear anything you want. And that is the freedom it gives to a woman. See, surgery, especially cancer surgeries, it's not about just curing the disease. What I believe is you have to give your the life back to the patient. उसको अपनी जिंदगी वापस चाहिए भाई, वो जीना चाहती है. उसको कैंसर हो गया, सर्जरी हो गई, वो ठीक हो गई, तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो स्टिग्मा पूरी जिंदगी उसके साथ रहेगा. इतना बड़ा स्कार पूरी जिंदगी उसके पेट पे दिखता रहेगा. क्यों? रोबोटिक सर्जरी है, you get back to your life. You go to party, you go to dance clubs, you do anything. You can start gymming after a week. That is where robot comes in.
I guess sir has rightfully answered one of my other questions, like how, people are really scared to get into robotic surgeries, and probably he's broken the myth about it as well. So, sir, going forward, how is it that robotic surgery is super expensive, like in a layman's term, if I may ask?
So now you have asked my favorite question. This is where I like to break the myth. Because I'm trained in UK, in England, you are taught holistic way to look at medicine. Actually, इंडिया में हम ट्रीटमेंट की कॉस्ट ही आज तक गलत कैलकुलेट करते आए हैं. अब I'll break it down for you.
Okay, sir.
Let's say a open surgery is costing 2.5 lakhs. Same operation for robotic surgery would probably cost you around 4 lakhs. It's 1.5 lakhs, give or take, more than the conventional surgeries. Now, in India, what you say is the upfront cost. भैया वो तो 2.5 लाख में हो रही है, मैं 4 लाख क्यों दूं?
Correct.
First of all, there is no pain. So, pain is costless. That life without pain is costless. You cannot put a price tag on a pain-free life. Second thing, if you take yourself as an example, let's say you're earning modestly 40,000 a month. If you take 3 months of medical leave, how much do you lose? 1.2.
120. Yeah.
Now, India में कुछ साल पहले तक we had a very good family support system. But nowadays we are moving towards nuclear family. अब नहीं आपकी बुआ या चाची आएगी जो 3 महीने आपको संभालेगी. कोई करवट दिलाने नहीं आएगा. आपको फुल टाइम एक बाई रखनी पड़ेगी, मेड रखनी पड़ेगी. She will cost you 20 to 25,000. 3 महीने अगर आप एक बाई रखते हो, 70,000 that. So 120 you save on your wages, 70,000 maid charges, 2 लाख तो आपने ये सेव कर लिया. और सर्जरी कितनी महंगी थी? सिर्फ 1.5 लाख रुपया. So you have made actually a 50,000 profit rather than losing. It is 50,000 cheaper. Another aspect of it, ओपन सर्जरी में बिकॉज बहुत बड़ा इंसिजन होता है, बहुत बड़ा चीरा होता है, देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, इन्फेक्शंस. अब इतने बड़े वूंड में अगर इन्फेक्शन होगी तो यू हैव टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा एंटीबायोटिक्स, एक्स्ट्रा मेडिसिन, मे बी एक्स्ट्रा हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन. नाउ your bill gets ballooned on that. So on robotic surgery, you're saving that. In the finer print, if you go after any conventional surgery, you stay in hospital for like 7 days. If you give or take any hospital, be it a corporate hospital, private hospital, small nursing home, 5 to 10,000 per day is the hospital charge.
Correct, sir.
You stay in hospital for 7 days, it will cost you 70,000.
Correct.
You get discharged in 2 days, it will cost you just 20,000. So you save 50,000 that.
Yeah.
Actually, robotic surgery is cheaper than the normal surgery. So you you're directly saving nearly 2.5 lakhs of rupee and saving yourself from pain. आप दर्द से भी बच गए, you're getting your life back. आप जिम भी जा रहे हो, you're getting your social life back. You can be back to a club or a party if you want. Next month अगर आपकी anniversary है, you can dress up in a beautiful sari and you're saving money also. So this is a mindset we have to actually counter in Indian population, because Indian population में problem क्या है? It is not, I would say, problem, क्योंकि हमें सिखाया ही नहीं क्या. हम सिर्फ देखते हैं upfront cost of surgery. भैया वो surgery 2 लाख की है, ये 4 लाख की है, तो वो सस्ती है, ये महंगी है. बट जब आपका टोटल खर्चा या टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट, in West it is calculated as cost of treatment, not cost of surgery. In India we see only cost of surgery, we don't see cost of treatment. Cost of treatment of robotic surgery is less than conventional surgery. So robotic surgery सस्ती है. और I'll add one more point which nobody talks about. Especially in robotic surgery, there are only 0.5% chances of complication. So in conventional surgery or laparoscopic surgery, in conventional surgery, the complication rate is 26%. So that is documented. I'm not making up numbers. These are published figures. And in laparoscopic surgery, the complication rate is 16%. Guess what it is in robotic surgery? 0.5%. So if there is a complication, you will have another surgery or another treatment that will cost you extra. So basically, you are putting your life at risk, I would say, by opting for conventional surgery. Robotic surgery is like getting an insurance. You know, chances of you getting a complication is just 0.5%. And it is as equal to कि ये छत हम पे गिर जाए. That 0.5% chances is like you're walking on a road and you are hit by a bull. That can happen anytime. So robotic surgery is so safer, so complication free, and actually it is the cheapest form of surgery. This is what people don't understand. That is where calculations of West, that's why we are still a developing country and they're developed country, because they calculate the cost of treatment and we just look at the upfront cost कि जी 2 लाख की सर्जरी है, ये सस्ती है, 4 लाख की सर्जरी है, वो महंगी है. So that is the difference where I think we need to educate our population, change the mindset, and we need to spread this message. Every man and woman should know this. I'll give you a very lively example. So there was this famous surgeon in USA who used to do open prostate cancer surgeries. तो prostate cancer surgeries वो करता था and he was quite good at it. So उसकी waiting list चलती थी 2 साल. 2 साल लोग wait करते थे. अब robotic surgery आ गई, more people got trained. And robotic surgery में prostate cancer surgery is very successful. I've done a lot of cases and they do just fine. They get discharged on 3rd day and they are like living a happy life. His waiting list after introduction of robotic surgery crashed from 2 years to 3 days. Because people were getting discharged faster, the surgeries were done faster, the patients' beds were occupied less. So that is where the whole knowledge of how your treatment is calculated. And I'll tell you one more thing. This is just a flick of time when insurance companies are going to realize this. And now they are actually realizing this. And for cancer care, they are actually giving approval for all robotic cases. So if you have insurance, you should never go for conventional surgery. If I would say, God forbid, if my mother needs a surgery, I would go for robotic surgery. I would, as a son, मैं अपनी माँ को तड़पते नहीं देख सकता. वो जो दर्द है ना, आप सोचिए आपकी माँ, आपकी बहन, आपके फादर, वो दर्द से जब तड़पते हैं ना, जब वो वार्ड में कहते हैं कि मुझे कोई साइड दिला दो, बेटा मुझे पकड़ के उठा दो, वो जो एक बेटे का या बेटी का जो दिल, जिसे कहते हैं ना, पसीजता है, जो दिल में दर्द होता है, वो आप इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते. There is no cost that you can put on that. So robotic surgery में आपके पापा उठ के कहेंगे बेटा कुछ खाने को दो यार, सोचो उस बेटे की स्माइल में कितना फर्क होगा। एक तरफ उसके पापा रो रहे हैं कि बेटा मेरे दर्द हो रहा है, मुझे कोई इंजेक्शन लगवा दो, और एक तरफ उसके पापा कह रहे हैं कि बेटा हॉस्पिटल का खाना टेस्टी नहीं है यार, आज कुछ बाहर से मंगवा लेते हैं। दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रोबोटिक एंड कन्वेंशनल सर्जरी। सो दैट इज द माइंडसेट, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट टुडे। आई वांट एवरीबॉडी टू नो कि दिस इज योर ऑप्शन। पीपल आर वॉकिंग इन अ ब्लाइंड स्ट्रीट. People should wake up to robotic surgery. That's why I became a robotic surgeon. I was trained in surgical oncology. Why I spent more time in my training? Because I wanted to do good for society. मैं इंग्लैंड में था. I was very happy. To be honest, I was making ton of money. And I had everything kind of sorted in my life. England में you have free housing, your children's education is free, you have free medical health care. Why did I come back to India? Because I wanted to bring robotic surgery to masses. I wanted that common man, वो जो घर पे काम वाली बाई है ना, कि वो भी रोबोटिक सर्जरी कराए, वो भी दर्द से ना तड़पे। मैं नहीं चाहता किसी की भी माँ सर्जरी के बाद रोती हुई देखे। वो मेरा एक सबसे बड़ा एक मेरा पेन पॉइंट है कि दिस इज द रीजन आई बिकेम अ रोबोटिक सर्जन. So that's just me getting emotional about what I do, but this is my main aim in life.
That's totally beautiful, sir. Like how you've explained about the benefits, and sir has done a great cost-benefit analysis on robotic surgery about it. So that shows like you've thrown a good amount of light on it. So thank you for whatever you do, sir. So sir, आप हमारे साथ कोई रियल लाइफ स्टोरी शेयर कर सकते हैं अबाउट हाउ कैंसर रोबोटिक कैंसर सर्जरी वाज सक्सेसफुल in a patient?
So I'll share two stories. So I'll just tell you one more thing. My wife, she is also trained in England. She is gynec and reproductive medicine specialist. So she is also a robotic surgeon.
Oh,
So
great.
sometimes we collaborate on cases.
Oh, wow.
So recently we did a case. She had a gynae cancer.
Okay.
Uterus का cancer था, and that lady had 3 previous cesarean sections.
Oh,
Now, when you have undergone previous surgeries, laparoscopic surgery is nearly impossible. I'm not saying it's completely impossible. Yes, you can do, but it's very, very technically difficult. So your option left is open surgery
okay.
and robotic surgery. उनको किसी ने समझा के भेजा था कि आप ओपन सर्जरी करा लो, और एक और साथ में मिथ उनके दिमाग में किसी ने डाल के भेजा था कि रोबोटिक लेप्रोस्कोपिक सर्जरी में कैंसर रह जाता है. तो द पेशेंट केम टू आवर ओपीडी. सो आई काउंसल्ड देम कि आप रोबोटिक सर्जरी कराइए एंड रेस्ट एश्योर्ड वी विल डू आवर बेस्ट. फर्स्ट थिंग वी डिड रोबोटिक सर्जरी. कहाँ पे उसका ओपन सर्जरी होना था, did robotic surgery.
Got it.
Next day, she was up and about. She was very happy. And I'll tell you one more thing. So in gynae cancer especially, there is some parts of surgery. So this is some medical jargon I'll use. And I'll try to explain it in common language. एक तो आपको यूट्रस पूरा निकालना है, साथ में कुछ lymph nodes होती हैं, which are like policemen of the cancer. उसको निकालना ज़रूरी है. अब गायनी कैंसर्स में लिम्फ नोड्स बहुत वेसल्स के खून की नालियों के पीछे छुपी होती हैं, जो ओपन सर्जरी से और लेप्रोस्कोपी से निकालना नियरली इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो वी वर एबल टू रिमूव ऑल हर लिम्फ नोड्स. Robotic surgery was done. She was discharged next day. A lady which had 3 previous surgeries and she was rejected by at least 3 or 4 surgeons. Now she comes to OPD wearing a beautiful sari and she's always smiling. कहती डॉक्टर साहब आपने सही सलाह दी, नहीं तो मैं तो फंस जाती. And the other real story which I want to tell you is we recently had a patient from USA.
Okay.
So in today's world, because of our changing diets and females, there is a pain in females जो कोई मानता ही नहीं है. हर तीसरी लड़की वो पेन चुप करके सह रही है, उसको हर पीरियड में पेन हो रहा है. अब हर पीरियड में पेन हो रहा है, वो किसी को अगर अपने कलीग को या अपने मदर को बताती है तो पीरियड है, पेन है, ठीक हो जाएगा, क्यों फिक्र कर रही है? But there is a deeper cause to it. So endometriosis is a disease which is very prevalent now. This is basically when blood gets collected inside abdomen rather than uterus during the periods. And that pain, आप उस लड़की को पूछ के देखिए जिसको एक्चुअली वो पीरियड पेन होता है, दे क्राई इन टॉयलेट्स, क्योंकि उन पे कोई विश्वास नहीं करता. पर वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेन. हम उस पेन को दूर करने के लिए ही हमने ट्रेनिंग ली है. आपको टॉयलेट में बैठ के रोने की जरूरत नहीं है. कम टू अ रोबोटिक सर्जन. वी डिड अ रोबोटिक सर्जरी. वी क्लियर्ड ऑल द एंडोमेट्रियोसिस. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ, सब कुछ चिपका हुआ था बिकॉज एंडोमेट्रियोसिस इज सच अ डिजीज कि सब कुछ चिपक जाता है. और जैसे ही पीरियड्स में यूट्रस से ब्लड निकलता है एंड इट पेन्स लाइक हेल. आपका लोअर एब्डोमेन है वो एक ऐसा फील करता है कि सब कुछ अंदर खींच रहा है. एंड वी डिड दैट सर्जरी एंड ड्यूरिंग नेक्स्ट पीरियड, जस्ट इमेजिन, we got the call from surgery and we got a video call from that patient and she was, doctor, mere period chal rahe hain. We said okay and I'm happy today. We were like, that is the best part when patient comes back to you smiling. वो US से video call कर रही है कि doctor, I am very happy, I have my periods but I don't have pain. She was in such pain that she was taking injectable painkillers for periods. And this is very prevalent in India now. If you go to metro cities, now people are talking about it. If you go to corporate offices, you ask 1 in 3 girls, every third girl has endometriosis. And sad part is nobody wants to believe them. Sad part is लोग कहते हैं पीरियड है, पेन तो होगा ही, थोड़ा बहुत पेन है, पैरासीटामोल खा ले ठीक हो जाए. बट उसका दर्द नहीं समझ रहा है कोई. वो अगर अपने पीरियड्स के लिए ऑफिस छुट्टी मांग रही है तो उसका बॉस कह रहा है पीरियड्स तो हर लड़कियों का होते हैं, तेरे को छुट्टी क्यों चाहिए? शी इज सफरिंग एंड नाउ दिस सफरिंग हैज अ रूट टू एंड. यू कैन गेट अ रोबोटिक सर्जरी, get rid of your pain, your organs will be free, and this has another part attached to it. Because endometriosis की वजह से infertility होती है. You cannot bear a child sometimes because of endometriosis. By robotic surgery, we release all the tubes.
Okay.
And you can naturally have a baby. You need not to have IVF.
Oh, wow.
You can naturally have a baby. The joy of having a natural baby. I recently had a son.
Okay.
So I can understand that feeling जब आप अपने बेटे को पहली बार हाथ में पकड़ते हो. And that female I talked about,
Yes.
USA वाली, now she's pregnant.
Wow.
And she is
That's
expecting.
amazing.
And in US it is completely illegal to know sex of the child
Right.
before. And she is expecting a girl. And she is very happy. She has colored her room pink.
Pink,
And it's a beautiful. So robotic surgery is a beautiful journey. And your patients are so happy and it gives you such a mental peace कि आपने इतनी बड़ी सर्जरी की फिर भी पेशेंट को कोई पेन नहीं है. So that is
amazing, I feel.
That
I
is
mean, the
actually,
kind of patient-related outcome measures that you're bringing in each patient is totally commendable, Dr. Ishan. I mean,
thank you.
we should really thank you for it. Every female should thank you for it who has undergone treatment with you. So just like throwing some light, what is this some different kind of a procedure during a robotic surgery that is being performed in a gynecology surgery, gynae-oncology surgery specifically?
So that is what I was telling you before, that basically what happened was we believed in removing all lymph nodes.
Okay.
That was the original, जिसे कहते हैं ना gospel, कि remove करने ही हैं. Then paradigm shifted to laparoscopic surgery, because laparoscopic surgeries में instruments are so I would say rigid, you cannot remove them. So slowly people said just remove one or two nodes, leave it at. So people were trying to avoid. Now with robotic surgery, we are again coming back to the original form that you have to remove complete cancer. And robotic surgery में you get clearance about nearly 100%.
Oh, that's
So
great.
nothing is left behind. जो लोगों का मिथ है ना कि रोबोटिक सर्जरी से या लेप्रोस्कोपी से कैंसर पीछे रह जाता है, that is completely wrong. You're able to actually remove more than what you would remove with open surgery.
Oh, great. That's great. So, sir, like I'd like to end it with a very nice question. Like, why should all patients come to Paras Health Panchkula only for the robotic surgery?
So you've asked a very interesting question, and I have a very interesting reply. So we as a management, we have acquired the robot, and we are not there just for doing surgeries. We want to make it a mass movement. I'll compare few things because I am getting referral from US also. People are coming to me from Delhi, Mumbai. I've recently had a patient from Andhra Pradesh. So why come to Paras Panchkula? First of all, we have the best robot that is available worldwide.
Okay.
Even in US, there is nothing above it at the moment. Yes, there are upcoming researches. There will always be new researches, but this is the best at the moment. Second thing, if you compare us, our pricing to rest of the world, in US you pay around 50 to $60,000. That would come at 50 to 60 lakhs. So
That's too much.
that's something US patients are unable to afford. So that's why they come to India. And even in metro cities, you end up paying at least 3 times what we offer. So
Okay.
this, for us, this is not just doing a surgery. We are trying to make it a mass movement. So any patient, so why do I get, just imagine why I get patients from Delhi or Mumbai or from Bangalore or from Andhra Pradesh. There are robotic centers in Delhi, there are robotic centers in Mumbai, but the cost difference is so much. If let's get roughly into numbers, if a robotic surgery which we are able to offer at Paras Panchkula is for 5 lakhs, that same robotic surgery will cost you around 3 times or 4 times in Mumbai, and flight tickets are just 9,000. So by spending 9,000,
Yeah.
to and fro 18,000, you're able to afford the robotic surgery. Whereas in Mumbai or in Delhi or in Bangalore, they would not have been able to afford. So Paras Panchkula, the moment, our aim is not to just offer the surgery, make it a mass movement. So everybody who is eligible for surgery can have robotic surgery. For intestinal cancers, gynecological cancers, kidney cancers, prostate cancers, we are doing all type of cancer surgeries. And we have deliberately kept pricing at such a price that everybody can afford it. This is my personal feeling that no son, no daughter, किसी भी बेटे को या किसी भी बेटी को अपनी माँ की आंखों में आंसू ना देखने पड़े क्योंकि उसकी सर्जरी हुई है और वो पेन में चिल्ला रही है. That is the reason we have had a deliberate meeting with management. We have had a lot of discussion. We have done a lot of cost analysis, and we have come to a costing where we can make robotic surgery a mass movement. Paras Panchkula is the place where everybody can afford a robotic surgery. That is the only thing I can say. Come to Paras Panchkula, you will be able to afford a robotic surgery. Even if you're sitting in Delhi, even if you're sitting in Mumbai, even if you're sitting in
Any
US,
part of the
and
world.
we have a very, very transparent pricing system. Things are fixed. You're given a fixed package. There's nothing that is going to change at the end of the billing. You get to know what you're going to pay, and that is the end of it. We have brought transparency to the system. That is a deliberate, move to make this a mass movement.
Okay. So I just like to end it on a note saying that this is a mass movement for pain-free robotic surgeries, and it was lovely talking to you, sir. And it was a great and informational session for all the viewers here. Thank you, sir.
Can I end with a quote?
Sure, sir.
Surgery is not about getting disease free. It is about getting your life back. Get robotic surgery, get your life back.